I'm Griffin Rowell. I'm the interim CTO. Our product is essentially a way to turn flat 2D websites into interactive, personalized experiences. The Napster 3D Studio side of it is really to build the interactive environments that experience takes place in. And then we also have Napster Spaces, which is an AI agent technology that ingests the data from someone's existing 2D website and turns it into that personalized interaction. And so right now we're integrating those technologies into one seamless pairing that will be the real magic of this 2D to 3D website challenge that we've been solving. It's a first of its kind product, and there's a lot of complicated moving parts. Our code base is kind of unique. We use Web3D technologies, which are not the most proliferated. So there's not a lot of historical data for us to go on and a lot of very custom development that we've been doing. We've built this engine, which is a full general purpose game engine with its own entity component system, and everything's heavily modified to serve that. So if I go to like GDC, I see a lot of things that should be helpful to me, but are just not helpful because they're all for native game engines. And then if I go to Web Summit or something and I find QA products, they just don't work because nothing's made for 3D. So we're at this intersection where everything's just very difficult for us. Since basically the beginning of the year, we made a more concerted effort of like, okay, what tools are you guys using? How are they working? One of our teams had been using Augment and just loved it. So we just did a hackathon. Actually, it was just a day long, but there was no competition because the agent was just such a strong performer and force multiplier that it really just became a what can you build with Augment during the hackathon. And now we've got seats for basically all the people who are doing the main coding day to day. Having something like Augment, having these tools to really explore quickly and experiment is just very, very important. And we've really loved using it. It is honestly my favorite tool that I've used. It is truly like a force multiplier. It has added so much value.